audience, obviously. It gives me great joy to welcome you all for this what promises to be a very special evening. It's a fundraising concert, and later on you'll learn why we are doing this fundraising and why we are doing it this particular way. It's a noble cause. So we come together tonight in the spirit of Seva, Satsang and Sangha to celebrate music, community and the joy of contributing to a great cause. So please give a round of applause for our artists. We are deeply honored to have amongst us Rahul Madhukar Ranadeji, who is an internationally acclaimed musician from Baroda, India. He is now based in Mauritius. He holds a master's degree in music and served for 8 years as an assistant professor at the University of Baroda and has nurtured countless talents overseas and here. Rahulji has performed in over 50 cities across India and in the UK, Canada, the USA, Reunion Island, and obviously here. He is connected with the Art of Living family. He has taken part in some of our programs, and his music is a form of seva because he's doing this for us as a service, as contributing freely out of his sense of gratitude. So Rahulji is teaching now at the Hindu Girls College, where his students represented Mauritius at the World Culture Festival in Delhi in 2016, which is a great moment of great pride. Of course, Rahul Ranadeji performs with the best in class for Indian music in Mauritius. And it is an honor and indeed a great pleasure to welcome on stage with him some of my friends and acquaintances amongst the musicians. On guitar, we have Mr. Ashwin Jordan. On keyboard, Mr. Vijay Munisami. On tabla, Mr. Uttam Darbari. And on tabla again, Mr. Vishal Gupta. And last but not least, on octopad, Mr. Uttam Lausa. So this is the end of the warm welcome to all of you, and I hope by now most people will have found their chairs. And now over to you, Ranadeji, for what promises to be a magical evening. Thank you.
Jai Gurudev to everyone. It is indeed a great pleasure to be here today in this mandir and in front of Guruji. Actually, it was my long time dream to perform here, so it is coming true today. So let's start. So first, as we are all Art of Living family, so first I will start 2 bhajans and then we'll move to other songs. So I'll request Keshini and my wife Jaya to please come and support me for first 2 bhajans. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः जय गुरु ओंकारा जय जय सद्गुरु ओंकारा जय गुरु ओंकारा जय जय सद्गुरु ओंकारा ब्रह्मा विष्णु सदा शिवा हर 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 महादेवा और enjoy. ब्रह्मा विष्णु सदा शिवा हर 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 महादेवा जय गुरु ओंकारा जय जय सद्गुरु ओंकारा जय जय गुरु ओंकारा जय जय सद्गुरु ओंकारा जय गुरु ओंकारा जय जय सद्गुरु ओंकारा देव निरंजन सदा शिवाय हर 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 महादेवा यमुना तीर बिहारी हरि यमुना तीर बिहारी हरि यमुना तीर बिहारी हरि यमुना तीर बिहारी हरि कृष्णं वन्दे परमानन्दं वन्देऽहं कृष्णं वन्दे परमानन्दं वन्दे कृष्णं वन्दे परमानन्दं वन्देऽहं कृष्णं वन्दे परमानन्दं वन्दे मुरलीधरा कृष्ण तुलसीधरा मुरलीधरा कृष्ण तुलसीधरा मनमोहना आनंद नंदना हे गिरधारी वनमाली हे गिरधारी वनमाली यमुना तीर बिहारी हरि यमुना तीर बिहारी हरि यमुना तीर बिहारी हरि कृष्णं वन्दे परमानन्दं वन्देऽहं कृष्णं वन्दे परमानन्दं वन्दे कृष्णं वन्दे परमानन्दं वन्देऽहं कृष्णं वन्दे परमानन्दं वन्दे कृष्णं वन्दे कृष्णं वन्दे परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे परमानन्दं वन्देऽहं कृष्णं वन्दे परमानन्दं वन्दे ताली बजा सकते हैं जय गुरुदेव Now we move towards some ghazals and film songs. So first I am singing one very popular ghazal of Jagjit Singh. Thank you Keshini and my wife Jaya. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. of Guruji. So first share of this ghazal. तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, जिंदगी धूप तुम घना सा आया. So very well suitable for Guruji. The second share is our art of living mantra. That is, don't keep expectations. So, आज फिर दिल ने एक तमन्ना की. Today, my mind, my heart did one desire. आज फिर means every day. This is a thing of every day. आज फिर दिल ने एक तमन्ना की. आज फिर दिल को हमने समझाया. Every day we have to calm our mind. Don't expect too much. Then that is art of living. We can be in the present moment and we can be happy. एक बार जोरदार तालियां गुरुजी के लिए. तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया. तुम चले जाओगे तो सोचेंगे, तुम चले जाओगे तो सोचेंगे, हमने क्या खोया, हमने क्या पाया, हमने क्या खोया, हमने क्या पाया. जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया. तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया. तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया. तो ये ख्याल आया. तो ये ख्याल आया. One more very beautiful ghazal of Jagjeet Singh. झुकी झुकी सी नजर बेकरार है कि नहीं. झुकी झुकी सी नजर बेकरार है कि नहीं. दवा दवा सा सही दिल में प्यार है कि नहीं. झुकी झुकी सी नजर. में प्यार है कि नहीं, झुकी झुकी सी नजर। वो पल के जिसमें मोहब्बत जवान होती है, वो पल के जिसमें मोहब्बत जवान होती है, उसे एक पल का तुझे इंतजार है कि नहीं, दवा दवा सा सही दिल में प्यार है कि नहीं, झुकी झुकी सी नजर बेकरार है कि नहीं, झुकी झुकी सी नजर। Now, after ghazals, also I'm doing some old film songs. So I like generally ghazals and old film songs. So I'll present that. So this one song of Mohammad Rafi is my very favorite. And we can also think about this song, thinking of Guruji. तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है, ये उठे सुबह चले, ये झुके शाम ढले, मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन्हीं पलकों के तले, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है। इनमें मेरे आने वाले ज़माने की तस्वीर है, चाहत के काजल से लिखी हुई मेरी तकदीर है। ओ, इनमें मेरे आने वाले ज़माने की तस्वीर है, ये उठे सुबह चले, ये झुके शाम ढले, मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन्हीं पलकों के तले, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है। जहाँ चले ये झुके शाम ढले मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन्हीं पलकों के तले तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है ये उठे सुबह करे ये झुके शाम ढले मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन्हीं पलकों के तले तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है। एक शेर याद आ रहा है कि महको तो ऐसे महको कि बहारों में होश आ जाए महको तो ऐसे महको कि बहारों में होश आ जाए और तालियां बजाओ तो ऐसी बजाओ कि कलाकारों में जोश आ जाए एक बार तो थोड़ा सा जोश रखिए और थोड़ा सा चेहरे पे स्माइल रखिए आई हैव हर्ड समवेयर in of course in art of living that what is the sign of success is unconditional smile on your face isn't it so keep that smile और एक गाना गुरुजी के लिए पेश करते हुए फिल्मी गाना तेरी मेहनत है तू इस तरह से मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल है लगता है तेरी मेहनत है तू इस तरह से मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल है तेरी महफिल है, कोई इस तरह से मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल है, कोई इस तरह से मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल है। Now I'm presenting some of my favorite songs. One song of Mukesh ji, my very much favorite song, so that I'm presenting for you. कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए, मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए, मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए, कहीं जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए। कभी यूं ही जब हुई बोझल सांसें भर आई, बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें, कभी यूं ही जब हुई बोझल सांसें भर आई, बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें, कभी मचल के प्यार से चल के छुए कोई मुझे पर नजर न आए, नजर न आए, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए। कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए कहीं दूर, जब दिन ढल जाए सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए। I'm sure that the music just now you are listening, not my singing, but these musicians. There is no doubt that this is the best what you can get in Mauritius. एक बार जोरदार तालियां। I am very very lucky and privileged that they accept to play with me. The best musicians. Later I will again introduce them. Best keyboard player, best guitar player, best tabla, octoped, dholak, everything. You can see the finesse and the sophistication of their playing. This is very evident. One more my favorite song of Kishore Kumar. पानी है। है दिल के तुम रहती हो। This is a very emotional and quite inspirational also. One duet of Mukesh ji and Lata ji. One of my favorites I am presenting. With the permission of Vani ji. Vani ji always she sings in my group. So this is the female parts also I am going to sing. after one song, we are taking a small break. So before that, there was one furmish from my musicians. So as it is just after Diwali, so this is also one of my favorite songs of Yashodas. melodious rag it is. Anyway, we go to the song.
How is everyone? You enjoying the concert? Yes. We promised it magical. It's a very poetic evening of grace and beauty. Music. So I now have the pleasure of calling on Dr. Arun, who is our trustee, to speak about the purpose of why we're doing this fundraising concert at Wootton. Please, Dr. Arun.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
Namaste Raju. Welcome to today's concert and fundraising dinner. We are so happy to welcome you today to this place, the Autumn Living Happiness Center, which is going to see very soon a beautiful Shiva temple. So let's talk a bit about Guruji's vision. He visited us last September. It was on the 6th of September, le 6 septembre. He was here walking around in the hall and suddenly he took a turn. He went to the balcony. He looked outside and he said, oh, he looked on the right hand side. Right hand side we have a lawn. And he said, oh, this is a beautiful place where we can have a beautiful Shiva temple. And the idea started from there. And so we are going to have our Shiva temple on the right hand side. And as you all know, this Shiva temple that we are going to build is special because all the stonework is being done by artisans from India, from Mahabalipuram, where they do such carvings and structural work. It is made out of a special black stone, and that stone is used for building temples. Maybe it might be one of its kind in Mauritius. So we look forward to putting this vision of Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar in action. And we have already started actually the pillars, the dome, and most of the structure for the temple is already built and it is ready for shipment. But we have some additional work to be done, that's why it's taking a bit of a longer time. So with that, we thank you for your presence and for your sponsorship of this event, and really look forward to many more such events where we can, because you know this temple is going to cost us around 15 million rupees. So that's a huge amount, and we need the support of each and every one of you to make this dream, which is already in motion, a reality. And with these few words, I would like to thank a lot our singer, Sri Rahul Ranade and his fabulous team of musicians who have enchanted us with so many beautiful songs. He reminds me of Rishi Nitya Pragya, who used to sing all these songs for Guruji. And we are reminded today in a meditative way what these songs, be it ghazals, bhajans, or songs, all songs themselves, they take us to another level if we understand the meaning behind the songs. I hope all of you understand some of the meaning, if not all. So, with this,
a favorite of Gurudev.
yes, and he has played some of the favorite tunes of Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, which he likes. So with these few words, because today is about you and the concert, so I'll not be long. I'll just say thank you very much from the bottom of my heart for everything, and wish to welcome Gurudev next year sometime around this time to inaugurate this beautiful temple of knowledge. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and it is really a good opportunity for me, and I'm thankful to the whole committee of Art of Living Mauritius to give me this opportunity to do little seva for this mandir. And I hope that with this is as a beginning of contribution, and then you all contribute more, and we create a wonderful mandir. So now I'm going to introduce my musicians. So you have seen such great musicians there. I tell you, in India also, there are like these musicians are so good being in the small island that they are like a top 10 musicians of whole India. In India also you don't have so much good musicians. That is the level. But I can say that he is a legend of Mauritius. Vijay Muni Swamiji. He has been famous as Kamal Hassan all over the island. And then Ashwin Jodan, one more very talented composition, recording, multi-talented. And one more big hand for Ashwin. Uttam Darwari, unarguably the best tabla player of Mauritius. Also, Vishalji is supporting us today. One big hand for Vishalji. He is also the best tabla player. And once again, the best octopus drums player of Mauritius, Uttam Baksa. Always smiling. He has really understood art of living. And I would also like to thank Praveen Bijlor, our sound engineer. एक बार जोरदार तालियां दीजिए. He accepted to do this favor for us. Okay, so coming back to songs. So I am presenting some of my favorite songs. Again, I will, with the permission of Vaniji, again I am singing one my favorite song, which is sung by Lata ji. So I am presenting. Because generally we don't get chance to sing female songs. So I am taking that chance today.
जन्म में मुलाकात हो
I have seen in Mauritius that this is the most famous song in Mauritius, Lag Ja Gale. One more my very favorite song. So I am doing a small medley of my 3 favorite songs. Once again, with permission of Balaji. My very favorite song of Lataji and Mohammad Rafi Saab, and one is Surprise. ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से, ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से, ये ख्वाब देखती हूँ मैं कि जब पड़ी हूँ ख्वाब से, अजीब दास्तां है कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी न हो समझ सके न हम, जवानियाँ ये मस्त मस्त बिन पे जलाती चल रही है राह में लिए, न जाने इनमें किसके वास्ते हूँ मैं, न जाने इनमें कौन है मेरे लिए, जब कि आरज़ू जगाओ अगर तुम कहो मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाओ अगर तुम कहो तुमको बुलाओ कि मिल के बिछाओ कदम तुम जहाँ जहाँ रखो ज़मीन को आसमां बनाओ सितारों से सजाओ अगर तुम कहो मैं कोई ऐसा So those who are standing behind, now for this song, I will call all of you here on the front. Please come. So generally, I want to share with you one thing, that the actual reason behind my coming to Mauritius was my wife. So I dedicate this song to her. Chandi jaisa rang hai tera. And also I dedicate to all the beautiful ladies present here. So please come in the front. Chandi jaisa rang hai tera. Chandi jaisa rang hai tera. सोने जैसे बाल, एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल। चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा, सोने जैसे बाल, एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल। एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल। जिस रास्ते से तू गुजरे वो फूलों से भर जाए। जिस रास्ते से तू गुजरे वो फूलों से भर जाए। तेरे पैर की कोमल आहट सोचने वाली जाए। जो पत्थर छू दे गोरी को वो हीरा बन जाए। तू जिसको मिल जाए हो जाए मालामाल। एक तू ही धनवान। गाइए। चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा, सोने जैसे बाल, एक कोई धनवान है कोई, बाकी सब कंगाल, बाकी सब कंगाल, बाकी सब कंगाल। One last song, इसमें भी आप सब यहीं पे रहिए। ओ लाल मेरी पतली रखियो बना झूलेगा, सिंदड़ी सेवन दास की शाबाश कलंदर, दमादम कलंदर, अभिदम कलंदर, दमादम कलंदर, अभिदम कलंदर। ओ लाल मेरी पतली रखियो बना झूलेगा, सिंदड़ी सेवन दास की शाबाश कलंदर, दमादम कलंदर, अभिदम कलंदर, दमादम कलंदर, अभिदम कलंदर। ओ लाल मेरी, लाल मेरी। चाल चराग तेरे वरण हमेशा, चाल चराग तेरे वरण हमेशा, चाल चराग तेरे वरण हमेशा। पंजवा में बारण आई बला झूलेगा, ओ पंजवा में बारण, पंजवा में बारण आई बला झूलेगा, सिंदड़ी सेवन दास की शाबाश कलंदर, दमादम कलंदर, अभिदम कलंदर, दमादम कलंदर, अभिदम कलंदर। ओ लाल मेरी, लाल मेरी। सिंध सिंध मेरा तेरी नौबत बाजे, सिंध सिंध मेरा तेरी नौबत बाजे, सिंध सिंध मेरा तेरी नौबत बाजे। नाद बजे घड़ी याद भला झूलेगा, ओ नाद बजे, नाद बजे घड़ी याद भला झूलेगा, सिंदड़ी सेवन दास की शाबाश कलंदर, दमादम कलंदर, अभिदम कलंदर, दमादम कलंदर, अभिदम कलंदर, दमादम कलंदर, अभिदम कलंदर, दमादम कलंदर, अभिदम कलंदर, दमादम इसी के साथ यहीं पे एंड करते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर सो मच सपोर्टिंग अस एंड ऑल आवर म्यूजिशियंस। थैंक यू वेरी मच वंस अगेन। और एक बार जोर से जय गुरुदेव।
जय गुरुदेव। Gurudev, everybody. I'm speechless as the MC after such a rousing concert, full of poetry, beauty, romance, and taking us down memory lane. So we've now reached the end, unfortunately. And Ranade Ji, you have now become our favorite sponsor, isn't it? After this concert with your musicians, I'm sure we'll see more of you in the art. Yes? What do you say? All of them, all the musicians, you heard the finesse of the way they played the instruments. It's very, very high level, and we are deeply indebted to all of you for your presence here. We've thoroughly enjoyed it, and Guruji often says music is to take us to silence. So we meditate a lot because that's where we find inner peace. And then what do we say, guys? Life is a celebration, yes? So both go hand in hand, so it's very appropriate that we had a concert to fundraise for a temple of knowledge, where knowledge will be placed very high and where people can come and meditate. So the two go hand in hand. Yes. So without further ado, I now have the pleasure of inviting Mrs. Savitri Ugara, Leelaji, who is our trustee, to thank our wonderful musicians, artists, and if G could also come forward, please. And if we can have a couple of our lovely volunteers to come and give a hand, please. G, if we can we ask you to come off the stage, please. For having so generously entertained us. Just find all your names. And Mr. Vishal Ritan, who played on tabla, please. And his fellow tabla player, Mr. Uttam Durmari. Mr. Uttam Durmari on octopus. Mr. Vijay Munisamy, who was on keyboard. Stay here, please. We will have a good photo. And Mr. Ashwin Jordan. May I also ask Mr. Praveen, who is the sound engineer, to also come, please? Forward. Please stay here. We will have a good photo. Of course, a vote of thanks. We have to thank our sponsors, Namo India, for this evening. And Mr. Itu, I don't know if he's here, for having organized a lot of our publicity. And of course, a big thanks go to you for having attended this wonderful evening. We hope you enjoyed it, yes? Yes! Great. And of course, Mrs. Devi Govind, who is our treasurer, whose idea it was to... Is Devi here? Oh, she's probably disappeared upstairs to prepare for the guests, yes? and the wonderful team of Art of Living who worked to set this all up. There was a lot of work behind it, and it doesn't feel like, Davy's here, please. A big hand for Davy. It was her idea. She has a project to do this concert, and of course she has a very arduous task of collecting how many million, Dr. Albu? 15. And we invite you to also participate and contribute further and inform people about this wonderful project, which is a heritage project for the country, because Mauritius is very much a cultural melting pot, and Guruji likes. He's done a lot of cultural festivals overseas, and maybe one day we could do one in Mauritius with the support of all these wonderful artists. Why not? Guruji always think big, and it's their talent is. It always takes my breath away when we hear them play. So we are very blessed. In fact, for me, it's a blessing, and I think for all of us, it's a blessing to have heard these wonderful ghazals, film songs, which it all comes from the source, all the shruti, from the divine. So we're indeed very blessed. And to the big Art of Living team, family, the young teachers, the new teachers, the volunteers, the donors, clap for yourself. It up for the thanks, and we hope that we'll be together again when the temple is up soon, next year, and Guruji will be here.
We'll be together maybe before the temple.
We'll be together many times before the temple goes up, but obviously let's keep our focus on all the fundraising efforts, and we welcome ideas also from anybody. We don't knock any ideas. So if you have any ideas about how we can raise funds and raise awareness about all the wonderful work that we do, that we've been doing for the last 30 years to deal with stress, to empower people, and to really be there for other people when people are in need, and be together as a family. We believe in the togetherness of people. So I will ask all of you to stay here because I think we'll have a group photo. And dinner is upstairs, so I invite all the guests to move slowly upstairs where dinner will be served, and we hope that you'll enjoy the rest of the evening in this blessed place. Thank you. Can please guide our guests for the dinner. I think it's a sumptuous three-course meal for the rest of the evening. It's so nice, nobody wants to go, it's like an Art of Living course.